Hello everybody and welcome back, and right now let us code a simple help command in our reverse shell. So open up your server first of all. Let's start off with the server part of the code, and right now let us see what we can get if we type here help. So if I just go on and make another real fast if else statement, so let's make that if else statement right at the beginning. So else if command and then first 4 letters, since help has 4 letters, equals to help. What we want to do is actually receive from our reverse shell all the available commands. So what we want to do right here is basically or actually, you know what, we do not even need this since we are actually receiving it right here. The reverse shell will send it back to us, so this code is not necessary at the moment. We will see if I was correct right after we finish the reverse shell. So save this. Now let's land on the reverse shell.py. And here we must add if the command equals to help. So let's go right here. Else if command equals to help, then 2 dots. What we want to do is create a string, so help underscore options, and let's make that string to be a multi-line string, so we can do that, I believe, with 3 so we can use 3 quotes right here in order to create a multiple line string. So let us see what are our available options currently. So download, let us add that first, so download, and then the download will equal to the, for example, let us create this arrow, download a file from target PC. Then we will have the upload right here. Let me just make it the same line. Let's go this back, one back, and let us set the upload to be upload a file to target PC. The next command we have will be the, for example, get, so get command. And that get command will actually be, let me just see what the get command is. It is download file from specified URL. Okay, so download file to target from any website. So let us add here also get and then the URL, so users know that they need to specify the URL. And here path, so we need to specify the path, also right here path. And let us make this a little bit prettier so it is in the same line. The next command we have right here is the start, so we can actually use the start command as well. So start and then the path to the program, start program on target PC. For example, notepad, calculator, and all of the things that we started in the previous video. So screenshot, and we can set that we know what screenshot is. So screenshot, take a screenshot of target's monitor, for example. Let me see if we have anything else for now. The check will check if we are admin, and that should be it. So check, check, and then we add this arrow right here, check for administrator privileges. So this is all of the commands. All we have to do right now here is close the 3 quotes, and this will become a multi-line, so 3 single quotes right here and 3 single quotes at the end, and this is a multi-line string. Now I'm not really sure how this will turn out in the receiving of this. We will see in just a second, but right now, before we actually compile this, we need to send this, so reliable send, and we need to send the help options. So this would be about it. I believe this is all the code we need. Once we send that, it will go back and try to receive other commands. So good. Let us save this. Let's compile it with the same command. Once we compile it, we standardly plug in our USB drive in order to transport it. Now, if you want to transport it over Apache 2, it might be actually faster than with this USB drive plugging in and unplugging in. But however you want, you can do it. Let's see if this will work now. Now I will go to the dist, move reverse shell to the media root, and then Kali Live, and then unplug the USB drive. Right now what I want to do is run our server. Let me open the USB file, and right now I will run the shell, but it will not open the picture since I didn't delete the registry and the command prompt path, but it doesn't even matter. However, we will receive the shell back. Just the picture or the image will not open. All we want to check out now is the help command and see if we get prompted our available options for using this reverse shell. So we get here the shell, we type here help, and we can see that we get all of the commands back. Now the only thing we have to change is we need to tab this. So we need to tab this to be the part of the string. We can tab it with basically just tabbing it like this. So let me just show you what we need to fix in order for this first part to also be in line with this other part. So how we can do that? Just copy this empty file, empty space right here. We can press here Q. We can nano the reverse shell.py. And right here all we have to do is actually add that space right here. Paste. Now this does look a little bit ugly, but this will fix the problem for us. So let us try once again. Let us compile the program. We will do this real fast. Plug in the USB drive. Let's close the one that is already running. And let us see if we fix the problem, so if everything is in line right now and if we can see our available options correctly. So this compiled, go to dist, move reverse shell to the media root, and then Kali Live. Go one directory back, run the server, and let's see how this will work right now. It should work. Here we go, we run this, we wait for the connections to come back, and then we will run the help command once again, and we will finish the tutorial right here. And then for every, for example, option you add to the reverse shell, you want to also add it into the help options, so users of this server know what their available options are. So type here help, and we can see right now all our available options are printed out correctly. So help once again, you can see everything is good. We can now check out, for example, use one of these options, so check user privileges. We can also take screenshot if we wanted to. We can do anything we want. So that would be about it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye!